Welcome to Factory with Asim. Today, we'll follow old tires from the graveyard through the recycling process and see how they become a new tire.
What happens to a tire when its life on the road finally ends? It may look like waste, but inside that worn-out rubber is a surprising amount of valuable material. The journey begins at the tire graveyard, where thousands of discarded tires wait to be collected. These old tires are loaded onto trucks. And transported to a recycling facility. Inside the factory, each tire enters a carefully controlled processing line. The first major step is shredding. Massive steel cutters tear the tires into smaller pieces. Exposing the rubber, steel, and reinforcing fibers hidden inside. Next, powerful magnetic separators pull the steel away from the rubber. The recovered steel is collected separately while the rubber continues deeper into the factory. Now the rubber enters a second stage of grinding. Large pieces are reduced into smaller, more uniform granules. Vibrating screens sort the particles by size. Anything too large is sent back for another pass through the grinder. After cleaning and separation, the result is a much more refined, recycled rubber material. But this material is not ready to become a tire yet. It must first be carefully blended with other rubber compounds and processing materials. Powerful rollers then compress the mixture into smooth, continuous rubber sheets. Now the actual tire begins to take shape. Different layers of rubber and reinforcement are carefully assembled around a rotating building drum. The tread is then wrapped around the outside of the tire and pressed firmly into position. At this stage, the tire has its familiar shape, but it is still uncured. The unfinished tire enters a massive curing press. From a tire graveyard to a finished product, this is the remarkable journey of recycled rubber. If you enjoyed seeing how this transformation happens inside the factory, make sure to join us for the next one. In our next video, we'll step inside another fascinating factory. See you in the next factory.